Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to What is up people? This is TechSav here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my new series where I cover PUBG Mobile videos, and in this video I will be playing a FPP match and giving you some tips and tricks to improve your gameplay in this game. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are on the plane right now and we are going to get down at military base, because recently I'm getting some great loots in the military base. So let's get down at there. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the angle so that when I jump I'll get to military base a little faster. So this is me jumping and we are going straight to the military base right now. Alright guys, so we are getting down at military base, and would you look at that view right there guys. It looks amazing, right? So we are aiming for those three buildings because the greatest guns are found in these buildings right here. So we are just landing and we landed right here. So let's get into those buildings and see what we can find. Alright guys, so first tip is that whenever you get down somewhere, just go for anything you find, like anything you can put your hands on, just take it to defend yourself. Even a level 1 vest can be helpful. Just know that all the enemies around you are in the same position, like they are also running and taking up shit loots like you. And if someone gets a great loot and you got nothing, that is one nasty situation. So my tip for you is that go after anything, but keep in mind that you have to get an assault rifle or an SMG at first to get the most out of your capability. Like when an enemy is shooting at you with a shotgun, if you have an SMG or an assault rifle, you can kill that enemy like really fast. Now as you can see here, I found my favorite gun, the Kar 98K, and now I am searching for something. Oh, and I found an 8x. That is a killer combo right there. So that is what I'm talking about. This place is like amazing guys. So now we are just looting this place up, and we hear footsteps from there and we see an enemy, and goodbye to Andresino 345. Yeah, that is a bot right there. So my second tip for you is that always look out for footsteps, and for that use a good headphone for playing your game. So the good headphones, what they do is you can hear the details of the game very clearly, and that helps a lot guys, believe me. Like the footsteps and the minor detail sounds can be great help for you to play the game. Alright guys, so until now I found some great loot from here. We got a level 3 helmet and 2 8x, 1 4x, 1 3x, 1 2x. Except the 6x, we have every scope with us. So as we are outside the safe zone, we are getting in there. So my next tip for you guys is that always keep an eye on your map and your position and try to remain in the safe zone. But before I get into the safe zone, I'm gonna need an assault rifle, a better assault rifle, and I found it. I got the Scaril right here and a 6x which I have been missing, so I'm gonna take the 6x on my Scaril, and I've got the 8x on my Kar 98, and I'm set. So now I'm just gonna drop all the scopes which I don't need. I need the 6x and the 8x. I don't need the extra 8x, so I'm just gonna drop that. I kept the 3x for some safety reasons, I don't know. So I'm just gonna take that bike right there and get into the safe zone before the blue line passes me. Whoa, what is up with this bike? I can't go straight in it, and I need to change this vehicle right now. So I'm just gonna take this buggy and crush this piece of shit on my way out. And this buggy is also not great, guys. It is frustrating, it is not speeding up, and so I'm going to change this as well and take another buggy which I hope is better than this. So this buggy is definitely better than the previous one, and now I'm just trying to get into the safe zone. And here we have some houses and a car parked nearby. So the next tip for you will be, if you see any car parked near a house, always check the houses before going into them, and always be alert near those houses, because there is a high chance of an enemy present in those houses who came with that car and parked outside. So always scope the houses before getting into them. Now we found another player right here. We heard footsteps and killed Harry Morton with our Scarel. And let's see what he has got. Just an energy drink, which I'm gonna drink, and that will boost up my. And we found another one right here, that is KRBBB. That is definitely a bot, guys. So let's see what he or she has got. 4x, impressive. So we are checking the airplane right there, and we are going to take the airdrop supplies if we can. Alright guys, so I'm inside the zone right now, and I am hearing some gunshots from up there. So I'm just gonna go on the top of that hill to check if there are enemies right there. Now I'm sneaking up, like I'm crouching, and I see a car right there. So I am just gonna be alert for the enemy right here. So I am sneaking up to him, crouching and sneaking up. Alright, so my next tip for you will be, always sneak up to your enemy like that. As you can see, Demon Kunal had no idea that I was there. I was just crouching and moving forward and towards him. So always sneak up to your enemy and don't let them know that you are near them. So as you saw, I killed him with ease, and now I'm just going inside the zone, and there is another plane coming from the northeast, and I think I will be able to get this airdrop like easily. Alright, so I'm just going towards the airdrop supplies, but before we go towards it, I'm just gonna scope these houses for enemies. I'm just gonna check if there is anyone in there. Now my next tip for you guys will be, as I'm near the airdrop, I will check every angle of that drop, check for enemies, and as you can see, there is one guy hitting me, and goodbye to cart. That is a bot, guys. I heard that whenever there is an airdrop supply, the bots come along the airdrop supply, and there is an example of that. So I got the military level vest. I didn't need any other supplies, and now I am hearing footsteps. So I'm just gonna go and kill that guy right here. Spray. I killed Alpha 2709, who came here to get this crate. So I got the half grip from him and some energy drinks and painkillers. So now I'm good, but hearing some bullets from right there, and I got my car 98 with an 8x, and with a headshot he's gone. Goodbye, Lewis. And he was shooting someone right there. I could not find him right now, but let's keep checking if anyone is there. But there is no one, so I'm just gonna boost myself up with some energy drinks and painkillers. So the next tip will be, always keep your boost bar full if possible. If you have enough energy drinks or painkillers, just consume them. Don't let them rot in your backpack. and keep your boost bar full. Now I'm just gonna prone right here, wait for enemies, and now I hear a car. So I'm just gonna check where he is going, and from here I can see his car right there. So he just stopped right there, and now I'm just gonna go towards him, and I think he's shooting someone. He is shooting right there, and he killed the one. Hey man, what is up? What's up, guy? And with a headshot, I just killed him. That is my 10th kill right here. And let's just take everything he got. So that was a fun kill. I just stood right behind him. So my next tip for you will be always keep a lookout for your surrounding and don't let yourself be in this situation. So here is a nice spot, as there is a rock and some bushes, and I know I won't have to check my back because I have the rock behind me, and the zone is also coming, and as you can see the zone is right on me, and that is one lucky game that I'm having right now. So I know that he will be coming from this direction only, and I don't have to check my back or my left for the last enemy. So always look out for a position like this. In the end, this might help you get the chicken dinner. And as you can see, I made the last enemy frustrated and he fired some free shots, but I still could not see him, and I think with a good spray, there is my chicken dinner, guys. So these were some of my tips for you guys in PUBG Mobile, and I hope this will help you improve your game. And if you liked it, do share it with your friends and help them improve their game so that they can play with you. And as always, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.